How to change an icon in Windows. First, you need an icon. If you don't know how to make one, here I will show you how to make one. Choose any image you like. Okay, I have my images in this PNG file. See? Okay, then go to this website, ICO converter. See? ICOconverter.com. Okay, make sure you change this size to 256 pixels. And we have to upload that image. Okay, and it converted, and now it's downloading. Okay, we got our icon file. Okay, choose the file you want to change. I'm gonna change this file's icon. Go to its properties. In the customized section, you can find this. Okay, click the change icon button. From here, browse and choose that icon you made. Okay, now apply it, then okay. As you can see, we change our icon. That's general stuff. If you want to change icon in recycle bin and this PC and this PC, here's how to do that. I know you can change this PC icon from its properties. In general section you can see the change icon button, but you can't change recycle bins icon from properties. As you can see, we can't. So here's how to do that. In the search bar, search themes. Okay, you can see this themes and related setting thing, and click it. In the themes and related settings, you can change theme setting as you want, but in here, desktop icon settings, you can change recycle bins icon, this pieces icon, network icon, all the things that you couldn't change before. So just click the one you want to change and just change icon. Okay, if you already changed your icon and you want previous icon back, just click this restore default. As you can see, it restored default. So after then you apply these settings, just apply this setting. I'm just gonna cancel it because I don't want to change my recycle bins icon. So that's how you change an icon in Windows. I hope you guys learned something. If you like this video, there's a like button in below, and tell me your idea and problems in comment section. Okay, see you guys soon.